Hello students, Sacred Heart High School welcomes you. Today we will be studying maths for standard 7th, chapter 11 circle. A circle is a round shaped figure that has no corners or edges. In geometry, a circle can be defined as a closed two-dimensional figure. Now let us see some examples of a circle. An air bubble, a bangle, a donut, a round pizza, wheels of a car, or a cartwheel are the examples in our daily life we come across. So now children, we know what is a circle. Now let us see the parts of the circle which we have already studied in the previous standard. We will just recall it. The radius, the line joining the center of the circle to any point on the circle, is called the radius of a circle. So in this figure, AB and AC are the radius of the circle. Now let us see what is a chord. A line joining any 2 points on the circle is called a chord. In the given figure, AB and CD are the chords of the circle. A diameter, the chord that passes through the center of the circle, is called the diameter. AB, EF and CD are the diameters in the given figure. So children, now we know what is the radius, what is the chord and what is the diameter, which we had already studied in previous standard. Let's see what is a circumference. A circumference of a circle is the length or the border or a boundary of a circle. If we cut open the circle and straighten it, the length of the boundary will be the measure of the circumference of a circle. If we have to measure the circumference around this cylindrical jar, we will measure it with the help of a thread. Usually, the circumference of a circle is measured in the units of meter and centimeter. Children, now we are familiar with all these terms: radius, diameter and circumference. Now let us see the relation between circumference and the diameter. The ratio of the circumference of any circle to its diameter is a little over 3 and remains constant. This constant is represented by the Greek letter pi, and the value of pi is 3.142. Children, pi is a Greek letter and it is a very important constant in maths. It gives us the ratio of circumference to the diameter of a circle, or the ratio of circumference to the twice the radius. For any given circle, this ratio will always remain pi. It is a constant, so whatever be the circumference and the radius, the ratio will be equal to pi. Pi is an irrational number, hence it cannot be written down as finite decimal number, because it makes the calculation almost impossible. So sometimes on place of the 3.14, we use the value 22/7 to make the calculation more easy. Now let us see the formula to find out the circumference. C is equal to pi d. Pi is the constant and d is the diameter. When we are told to find out the radius and given the value of radius, we will use the formula circumference is equal to 2 pi r. And in place of pi, we will use the value 3.142 or 22/7. Now let us see an example. In the first example, we can see that the value of diameter is given 6 cm. So we will use the formula C is equal to pi d. Now after substituting the values, that is 3.142 into 6 cm, we get the circumference as 18.85 cm. In the second figure, we have been given the value of a radius. So we will use the formula circumference is equal to 2 pi r. After substituting the values, that is 2 into 3.142 into 4 cm, we get the value of circumference as 25.14 cm. Children, here we have used the value 3.142. Now we will see a sum where we can use the value 22/7. The circumference of a circle is 198 cm. Find its radius and diameter. Children, here we are already been provided with the value of circumference, that is 198, and we are told to find out the radius and diameter. So to find out the diameter, we will first find out the radius. So we will use the formula circumference is equal to 2 pi r. After substituting the values, we get the value of radius as 31.5 centimeter. Now we know that diameter is twice the radius. So we will substitute the value of radius into the formula of diameter, that is diameter is equal to 2 into r, which gives us 63 centimeter. Therefore radius is 31.5 centimeter and diameter is 63 centimeter. Children, this is how we solve the sum of circumference.